not going to get killed, I hope. I'm just taking pictures. That way you can look at them in a little while.
Take a picture of that big tree.
I am.
Oh.
What are you doing, silly girl? You getting a second bath?
A pickle.
Smells good, doesn't it?
A pickle. I need a rain on.
Get out of that rain. Come here.
I'm melting.
You're melting?
Uh-huh.
Oh, don't melt, Alyssa. Don't melt. What will I do if you melt?
Put me in a freezer.
Put you in the freezer. Well, that was a pretty good answer. Then you would freeze, and then what would I have to do with you?
Freeze.
Unfreeze you?
Uh-huh.
You think I could unfreeze you? That's funny. Come on, get out of the rain for real. Come on. Lightning might strike you. Bye.
Roller coaster. That was cold out there.
Well, silly girl.